We are now live in Penticton. I'm at 410 Upper Bench Road in Penticton, and my goodness, what a place. You gotta come and see it right there. So it's got 410A because there's 3 actual units. There's one little studio in the backside, and then it's got another studio office right there. You can see it in the background. And yeah, let me tell you, man, this home's got character. It's a perfect location. It's got a saltwater swimming pool in the back. We're going to take a look at that too. And I've lost count on how many bedrooms there are. There's probably 5+ bedrooms, but there's lots more room to create more space for people. The studio in the back there was used for an office for naturopath. I just had another realtor coming in and telling me all this stuff. It has 2 septic tanks. There's one right here in front of me, and then there's one for the studio. So they're separated. They got separate power, and and then speaking of power, check it out. It's got solar panels. A ton of solar panels there. There's about 200 amps of service, which actually offers about 1/3 of the full input on this home, so you can deflect that. And yeah, the quick possession, amazing spot, just on the borderline of borderline. I thought I was gonna close that side, the door just closed. Oh, and you gotta see the door. Yeah, holy, beautiful door. Like, so it's got so much character, but it's still modern inside. The spaces are incredible. I just can't wait to show you inside. I mean, this is taking a little too long, but let's go in and take a look. Okay, follow me. So, open house. Look at this door. So classical. Like, man, just makes you feel like you're entering a castle in a mansion. Check out the area. Look at the backside. If it wasn't imported from Italy, I don't know. Maybe it's from a castle in Italy or something. Don't quote me on that. I won't say it out there. I've made it public, but maybe it's not. Look at this living room. Nice for your guests, right? A nice fireplace there in the background. And check it out. Look at the floors. Original oak floors, or maybe put in, but look at the floors in there too. This is the dining, formal dining room. Look at the beautiful chandelier, and look at the view.